Most of people fail in e-commerce not because of the e-commerce platform, not because they don't have the budget, not because they didn't choose the marketing platform, the social media platform that they're gonna advertise to. Not because they don't have employees yet, not because they don't have experience yet, but because they didn't choose the right product. Hello friends, again Marwan here. If you have watched my story, I started my journey in e-commerce in 2010, where I started in eBay as a simple seller. And from then, I jumped the steps, I learned from my mistakes, I lost some businesses, I lost some money, but I made some money too. So I got more than 16 plus years of experience. And what I can tell you, most people fail because of the choice of the product. You may have the best store online. You may have the budget, employees, people working for you, but if you don't have the right product, you're not gonna make profits. On the other side, if you found a winner or a great product that people are looking for, you don't have a good store, just a simple one, you don't have big budget in ads, you may win and you may make money. And this is the purpose of this video, because many people ask me which winning product tool you use. So what I do here, let me tell you this. The first step, you're gonna make some research. You're gonna have some data, accurate data, to look for the trending product on different marketplaces, eBay, Amazon, Walmart, Etsy, AliExpress. And from there, you're gonna filter your research to find the best one. And after that, you're gonna make some tests, okay? The test may not work at the first time, but you're gonna increase your chance to find the winner. So the product finding tool I use is called TSScout. I'm gonna show it to you right now. I'm gonna show you the dashboard of it and how to find a winner. So guys, this is the tool I use for product research, TSScout. So here is the dashboard of TSScout. Okay, so on the left side, you can filter by, if you're a seller on eBay, you can scroll on sub-tabs about eBay. If you're on Shopify, AliExpress, Walmart, Amazon, and TikTok. And they're gonna add more marketplaces in the future. So for now, as I'm not selling on eBay, I mostly use Shopify. I'm gonna show you eBay for those who use eBay. So you're gonna click on product research, and here you can type the title of the product you're gonna choose. I'm gonna type, for instance, iPhone 17 Pro Max, which is the last iPhone for now. This is gonna increase your chance to make profit from this product. Here you can filter by ebay.com, .uk, .co, .ca if you're selling in Canada. So I'm gonna choose ebay.com. Here is the shipping location. I'm gonna choose United States. Sell date range 30 days, okay? And here is the price, minimum and maximum. For instance, I'm gonna sell low cost items. I'm gonna say the minimum is $5, maximum $40, okay? So here's the feedback. The feedback is the rating, okay? So you can filter by the rates of the product. You can choose, for example, minimum here 3 stars, maximum 5 stars. And here the listing types, auction style or fixed price style. The condition used or brand new, I'm gonna leave it on brand new. Here you can use some exclude phrases on the product title. Okay, so I'm gonna type, or I'm gonna enter search. So after clicking on search, the first thing is the sell through. If you didn't understand anything, you can just hover over this one. Is gonna tell you the sell through percentage is a measurement of how fast items are selling. For example, a sell through rate of 500% means that on average each listing has gained 5 sales. So here is the sell through rate, which is great. Okay, so here is the listing, 93 listing, sold items. Here are all the details about that. Once I scroll down, I'm gonna see all the details about product related to iPhone 17 Pro Max. You can type anything you want here, depending on the choice of your product. And here are all the details about that. Okay, so here's the seller on eBay, the product name, the stars, 30 day, last sold. Last sold is on 7 June, which is today. Okay, so today he made his last sale, so it means that this product is great. Okay, here is the price, the location, because I already chose United States as a location here. And here is the scan on AliExpress. For instance, you made your choice here, you made your research here, etc. You're interested, for example, in buying this product to resell it. You're just gonna click on here and you're gonna find the product to buy from AliExpress. You're gonna see the price in here on AliExpress, $2.3, and number of items sold, more than 166,000 items sold. So this might be a great product to try, guys. So you buy it for $2 and this guy, he sell it for almost $10. So if you make your math, add to that the shipping fees, for example, the marketplace fees, etc. So this guy is earning about 50%, which is great in drop shipping. 50% profit is great. So you make about $5 for each item sold. If you, let's say, for example, you sell 100 products a day, you're gonna make $500 a day, which is 15K a month. This is great. So it took me what? Couple of minutes. Okay, just couple of minutes. So you may scroll down here and find everything you want. Here is also the competitors research. For example, you know a competitor by name, you can type their name here in the search bar and you can search for the competitor there. Okay, this is great also if you have, let's say, for example, you make a lot of sales, but you have a competitor, you want to analyze the competitor's strategy, idea, selling strategies, etc. So you can overcome them. This is great. Here is a tab for segment insight, smart title, and eBay fees calculator here. eBay fees calculator is great. I was doing that back in 2010 because I was at the beginning I was on below standard, above standard, and I become top rated, because when you become top rated seller on eBay, they're gonna give you a discount of about 20% at this time. You can check eBay for the recent stats. So you can choose your category here. Okay, choose your category, the sold price, the shipping charged is the price you're gonna charge for shipping, the item cost. So for example, you buy the item for $2, here is the shipping cost. The shipping cost is your shipping cost, number of orders, for example 100 orders, and eBay store. This is your plan for your eBay store. Here you choose your seller level, if you use an ad or if you use also donated to charity percentage. Here is the sales tax amount, etc. And once you do that, you're just gonna click on calculate fees and it's gonna give you the fees. Okay, this is great. You can make also an Excel file for that, so you can estimate your earning and your fees. That's for eBay. For those who use Shopify, the strategy is the same. You type your product, your desired product, you click on search, and again, and it's gonna give you all the details, etc. So that's awesome. There is also the competitors research here and find stores. So you may also find stores that are selling the same product you want to sell, which is awesome, because as I said, guys, in the beginning, this is the strategy that you're gonna need to do. Instead of wasting your money testing blindly, you need to look for a product, look for products that are already sold. As you saw, today is the 7th June. The guys have already sold some items. Okay, so those are products, those are some hot products that are selling now. If you use the same strategy, create a store about that, whether on eBay or on Shopify or whatever, you may start making sales today, guys. Here is also the supplier, AliExpress. You can also search for AliExpress, the sale, the price, the rating, etc. So this is a great tool because this is a simple dashboard, not complicated, where you're gonna start finding your winning product. And as I said, the difference between those guys who win or succeed in e-commerce, they find the winning product and they start testing. Okay, so because you can create your e-commerce store within 2 or 3 hours. So grab this product, create a Shopify store about it, use another tool for ads, etc., and make your ads and make your test. Make, for example, 100, 200, or $300 test. If it works, that's great. You're gonna make money. If it doesn't work, search for another product or try to, for example, reduce your selling price or something. So the strategy depends on you, how to sell your product. But finding the winner, finding the great product, this is the tool you're gonna need to rely on. Okay, so here it gives you all the details about average price by categories for those who want to sell high ticket items, and of course tech category has the greatest average price because people sell some smart TVs or something, they are higher in price. Here is the fashion, the average price is 122. So finding a winning product, this is a tool, simple tool. You can try it out, guys. I'm gonna leave the link in the video description. The marketing strategy depends on you, and you can also find many videos on my YouTube channel where I talk about marketing strategies, about SEO, how to be effective in marketing strategy so you can increase your chance to win in e-commerce. This is how people do to win in e-commerce. There is no secret strategy there. The only secret is analyzing the data, analyzing the competitors, and grabbing the potential winning product. That's all, guys. So guys, instead of going through some AI tools that may not be accurate for finding winning product, those product search tools use some sophisticated algorithms to filter the winners and to give you the accurate data depending on each marketplace. And it's upon on you to choose the right one, to create a store, to make the ads and make your first test. If it doesn't work the first time, second time, it may work the third time, the fourth time, and you may create a winning business. So guys, if you have any questions about that or about the TSScout tool, put in the comment below. I will be glad to answer. See you in the next video.